How to Register for MSCA and Create Your My Service Canada Account, New 2026 Guide. If you're a Canadian looking to manage your employment insurance, Canada Pension Plan, or old age security benefits completely online, you need a My Service Canada account. And setting it up takes less than 15 minutes. Let me walk you through the entire registration process right now in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm giving you the complete updated guide to registering for MSCA, My Service Canada account, in 2026. MSCA is a secure online portal that lets Canadians access and manage key government services and benefits like employment insurance, Canada Pension Plan, and old age security, all from one convenient place. Let's get your account created step by step right now. Step 1. Make sure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. To register for MSCA, you must be at least 12 years old, and you must only access and use MSCA as yourself. No one is authorized to use or create an account on your behalf. You'll also need your social insurance number handy before you begin. Step 2. Head to Canada, and navigate to My Service Canada account. On the MSCA page, you'll see 3 sign-in options available. Choose the one that works best for you, and I'll walk through all 3 right now. Step 3. Option A. Register using your bank. This is the fastest and most popular method in 2026. Using a sign-in partner lets you use the same login credentials you already use for your online banking to access MSCA. Major banks supported include BMO, CIBC, Desjardins, and several credit unions. Simply select your bank, log in with your online banking credentials, and you'll be redirected back to MSCA to complete your profile. Step 4. Option B. Register using GC Key. If your bank isn't a sign-in partner, choose GC Key. Create a GC Key username and password on the GC Key website, then return to the MSCA page and use those credentials to continue your registration. Step 5. Option C. Register using your provincial sign-in. This option is currently only available for residents of Alberta and British Columbia. If you live in either of those provinces, you can sign in using your provincial account credentials to access MSCA directly. Step 6. Complete your MSCA profile. Regardless of which sign-in method you chose, you'll now need to verify your identity inside MSCA. Create your MSCA profile by entering your social insurance number, then your date of birth, your access code or PAC, your province or territory, and complete the security questions. Step 7. Set up multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication is a mandatory enhanced security measure that has been implemented in MSCA to protect your personal information. Follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. You can use a phone number or authenticator app, and your account will be fully activated and ready to use. Here's your pro tip. If you don't have an access code or PAC handy during registration, don't panic. If you've already applied for CPP or OAS benefits, your PAC has been sent to you by mail. To request a new PAC, you can call Service Canada directly. For EI-related issues, call Service Canada at 1-800-2-672-18. And for CPP and OAS-related issues, call 1-800-277-9914, Monday to Friday between 8:30 am and 4:30 p.m. local time. Having your PAC ready before you start registration makes the whole process completely seamless. And that's your complete 2026 guide to registering for My Service Canada account, from checking eligibility, choosing your sign-in method through your bank, GC Key, or provincial login, completing your identity verification, and securing your account with multi-factor authentication. Once registered, MSCA is free, secure, and available 24/7, so you can manage all your Canadian government benefits entirely online without ever having to wait on hold or visit a Service Canada center. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Canadian government and benefits tutorials. And drop a comment below: which sign-in method did you use to register? See you in the next one.